like now when there is electric discharge, it can occur between two or more clouds because there are many clouds, and normally we will see lightning when there is wind blowing. When the wind blows heavily, then the clouds move fast, and due to rubbing with the air they get charged. So the clouds which acquire charge, they may be positively charged or negatively charged. Now these clouds which are shown in the picture, they are shown as positive charge. These are positive and the cloud at the bottom are negative, and the lower side of the cloud is negative, which produces an opposite charge on the ground. So this difference of charge between the cloud and the ground makes lightning strike, and the current is discharged to the earth. So this negative charge induces a negative opposite charge on the ground, and therefore the clouds produce lightning, which makes the electric discharge reach the ground. So normally objects which are higher up, which have high altitude, they get the electric discharge. So earlier people were scared of this, now we don't have to be scared. So we know the main reason of lightning is the conduction of charge. The clouds which are positively charged, the upper part of the cloud is positive and the lower part is negative, and the ground is normally positively charged. So due to the charge distribution, the current discharges and the electric discharge takes place. Lightning strike is dangerous. It can destroy life and property. It is therefore necessary to take important precautions. Now the more additional point about lightning strike is that objects which are high altitude, they are in more danger of getting electric discharge. So high buildings, trees which are tall, they have more danger of getting the electric discharge. Mostly the electric discharge will occur where the objects are wet in the rainy season, because we know wet objects are good conductors. So sometimes in the news you hear electric discharge took place, people were in the river and therefore electric discharge and people died, because water is a conductor, it makes the conductor, and the electric discharge can occur in the ground. And if there is good conduction, then the clouds are at the lower altitude. If these clouds are far away from the earth, normally they are not far away, they are nearby. So if they are at a higher altitude, then the chances of electric discharge on the ground is less. Then mostly lightning strike takes place on tall buildings. But if the clouds are at a lower altitude, then the electric discharge can even affect the ground. So when there is electric discharge, fire is produced. It can burn because high voltage enters the ground and the objects or houses, and they catch fire. So it is dangerous, and electric discharge is a natural phenomena, which is the first natural